my lifeline at this point.
I'm in the car. I'm driving home. I'm eating an apple. My commute is, if I include my pickups and everything, I leave work at 4:30. I'm usually getting home by 6:30. So all in all, my commute is about 2 hours, which is very stressful, and most of it is sitting in traffic. So why is it so close? I've almost already died already. A car was merging into my lane, didn't see I was there, just happened to be a police car. So that was fun. But you know what? We gonna get home eventually, sis. You gonna be in the bed soon. Just a little update. There's a ton of traffic, more than usual, on a part of this highway that's normally like wide open. It's 4:55. I have to have both boys no later than 6. So when this happens, I get really like irritated because it's not like a smooth and like chaos free pickup. It's more like, get out the way, move, I'm trying to avoid these late fees. You know, you pick your kids up, they look at you crazy because, oh Lord, he's popped a tire in the middle of the daggone highway. So the good thing is I just passed the disabled vehicle, so it's back to being wide open. But like I was saying, like the people at the aftercare or daycare that look at you crazy, like you running in here like and I'm like, sorry, I don't work like 5 minutes away, I don't work 15 minutes away, I don't even work 30 minutes away. So I've got the first baby.
Does it smell like meat?
No.
I do want to like it. Ah!
Almost fell. I've got the oldest baby.
Hello.
Now we're on to baby number 2. Okay, so have you seen the progression of the sun? It's 5:37. So I'm making really good time. We are like literally like 2 minutes away from the younger one, who is 2. The older one is 8, the younger one is 2. And I have a very fast errand that I would like to run without him. Does anybody else feel me? I got 20 minutes. 20 minutes before I have to pick him up. I need to go to the ATM real quick, which is, I mean, I could do that after I pick him up because I don't have to get out of the car. But I want to stop at Five Below and see if they have, no. Listen, Xavier. See, you heard him? He was already like setting me up for failure. We don't have a bunch of time. So I have to go and see if they have these weights that I need for this program that I'm doing. I don't know what you're talking about. All right, 6 o'clock and we're here, running in. All right, so it took a minute, but we finally got him. Then something happened, and I had to, you know. Okay, so we are back home.
Ethan was using his potty.
Ethan went to the potty, mommy went to the potty, and now he's splashing in the water. The sink is clogged because this apartment is raggedy. I just moved in here, but you gotta live in a raggedy apartment sometimes to stack your coin and make moves. So this is a new development. It's very ambitious. I understand that. But here is the boys' schedule here. It is way past the time that we have allotted for homework. At least the start time is 6:15. Right now it's around 6:30, 6:40, around there. So we may miss out on free time, but these are just like a guide, so you know, to kind of keep everybody, so if somebody doesn't know what they're supposed to be doing, they can refer to the schedule, specifically Xavier. These are our like our 3 P's. Xavier has goals for himself that can be pretty much, and pride, pretty much broken down into those 3 things. And play nicely, yeah. And Ethan, his goals are potty related, and then we just have reminders here and a little calendar that has nothing on it. So this is all very new.
I want a smiley face.
Okay, I'll put a smiley face next to your stuff. This is all very new because, like, you know, new year, we're trying to be more organized. But Ethan wanted to color, so I'm just up in this, get out of there. I'm in this box getting his water wow. That's the easiest thing for him to do at this age. He can grip that little thing and put that back, Ethan.
Look, Mommy. Look.
You did that?
Mhm.
What letter is it?
T.
T?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Ethan is walking around with no pants on because he's potty training. Xavier, can you please go get in the shower? And then when you come out, your food will be on the table. Thank you. He closed the door. Give me a kiss. Xavier, I don't hear any shower water, and time is ticking. He just said, "Mommy, I can lift one eyebrow." Like, get in the shower. You know what I'm saying? Like, why do I need to know that? Get in the shower. That's great. Get in the shower. What are you doing? Okay. Where?
Why sock?
Sock.
Uh-huh.
It's a sock.
How want it?
You want a sock?
How want it fast?
You want it fast?
Me want it fast. Me want juice.
You want juice?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Juice.
Say juice, please.
2 piece.
Oh, the boo-boo. Can I have a kiss? Give me a kiss and I give you juice. Give me a kiss and I give you juice. You want juice?
Uh-huh.
I want 1,000,000 kisses for juice. 1,000,000. That costs 1,000,000 kisses. Give those back to Xavier now. Give them to Xavier. Ethan, do you want to go in timeout? Do you want to go in timeout? Give them to Xavier. Thank you, Ethan. Thank you. Do you want to eat? Ethan, let go. Let.
I'm flying. I'm flying. I'm flying.
Let me get your spoon, Ethan. Okay, I'm going to throw your food in the trash can, okay? I'm going to throw your food in the trash can, okay? This is Xavier, Ethan, Xavier. Okay, clean up your place. It's 8:15, so the kids have a little bit of free time. That is time spent, their time spent fighting each other about everything. Ethan, come get your water while, Ethan. It's right here. So they ended up having a few minutes before bedtime to do a quiet activity, not run around and be crazy. Yes? Yes? Hmm? It's hot. Don't come over here. The stove is hot. Okay, come on.
Okay, it's time for bed now.
Organize your little table. Put everything back.
You didn't tell the guys, the people, about my table.
Yes, I did. I just told them. Your table. Ethan?
No, explain. How did you get that table out there?
Okay, so this was the original table that we ate on when I first signed the lease for this apartment. My grandmother gave it to me. It is a card table that she has had it is a Samsonite card table that she has had for 50 years, but she has reupholstered the top of it a million times, and now it is in Xavier's room. Use it as his homework / drawing / whatever table. So yeah. That Ethan.
We did it!
You went pee-pee in the potty?
Yeah!
You came in here by yourself and went pee-pee in the potty?
Yes!
Xavier took his shower and he left all of his thank you, buddy. You did a good job. It is now 8:35. So it's past bedtime. I am putting Ethan's leftovers from dinner in his lunch container. So I don't have to worry about that in the morning. Do you want to say the prayer? Go ahead.
Dear God, thank you for this day. Amen.
Amen. I love you.
Love you.
It's now 9 o'clock and Xavier is in the bed. Ethan is not, and I have not eaten yet. No, no more juice. No more juice. No. The juice is all gone. He's just gonna be mad. He's potty training, so like you can't have juice after a certain time. What is that? So this is what I'm eating. I'm eating potatoes, a bunch of zucchini, and those mushrooms that I made. And that's just a little bit of like the tiniest amount of barbecue sauce. Because I'm just feeling like I want junk food. So if I have barbecue sauce, it makes it seem better. So it is an entirely different day. I realized I did not finish filming because Ethan was being so difficult. He finally went down and I actually ate a little bit of a dessert and I went to sleep. But thank you so much for watching the video. Hopefully I can get in the habit of picking up my phone and filming a little bit of my day. I think having a tripod will help so I don't have to like hold the phone. But if you enjoyed the video, please hit the subscribe button to support our channel and comment down below if you liked it. Tips, nice tips, kindly delivered tips for me to kind of manage my stress with my long commute and all of that. But again, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.